Hardpoint identified. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested. UAV recon ready for deployment. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested. Sentry gun ready to deploy. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Our APS is ready. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint identified. Capture the objective. Sentry gun deployed. Hardpoint is ours. Contested. Our APS deployed. Hardpoint contested. UAV recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Hardpoint contested. Sentry gun ready for deployment. Sentry gun deployed.
Enemy down. Reload. Cover me.
Our APS is ready. Our APS deployed. UAV online.
I am contact.
Sentry gun ready to deploy. Hardpoint identified. Capture the objective. The APS is ready.
Get down.
Hostiles have the hardpoint. Our APS deployed. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. We've taken the lead. UAV recon standing by. Recon standing by. UAV online. Sentry gun ready for deployment.
Changing that.
Sentry gun deployed.
Enemy contact.
Our APS is ready. Our APS deployed. Capture the objective.
Enemy down.
UAV recon ready for deployment. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles hardpoint locked down. Our APS deployed. We've taken the lead. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost. Sentry gun ready to deploy. Hardpoint is ours. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Ready. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. Our APS deployed. Hardpoint contested.
Enemy contact.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested. UAV recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Hardpoint contested. Capture the objective. Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint is ours. We've taken taken the lead.
Headshot.
Recon ready for deployment. Keep on them. We're winning this one.
Target down.
Sentry gun ready for deployment. Sentry gun deployed. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have captured the hard point. Hardpoint lost. Capture the objective. Hostiles have the hard point. Hard point is ours.
Enemy contact. Tango down. Enemy contact. Enemy contact.
Just another day. Good job.